Okay, welcome traders, welcome to this market review. Last week we were doing dollar yen and it was bullish and it is still bullish. From this week we just had a bit of a flat print in the beginning, which is quite common, just to hold the line before the move. And they used the timing of the newest interest rate decision to push dollar yen to continue going up. As you can see, this thing has been going up for how long? And it's still rising. Let's just see H4. You can see that trend line from the 2nd of December, this whole month of December. That bullish trend line is still in effect, so it may retrace in the coming weeks, but it's still bullish as far as I am concerned, right? So let's have a look at the trades which took place, guys. So if you sign up below with my recommended broker, depending on when you sign up, you'll get access to the rest of this video where I'm going to show you the trades which took place, why to take them, where to put your stop, and where to put your take profit. All right, let's get into that video now. All right, guys, this was a reset, lovely reset. You can see this bounce.
Learn, then earn money online. You control your money. You control the risk and the reward. Start from as little as $10. Stop losing to get-rich-quick scams and pyramid schemes. Learn a legitimate skill of online trading. Already a trader? Stop donating to brokers. Become independent. Stop relying on signals and careless account managers. Learn to trade the market maker way. Take our course and follow the rules of big banks and smart money. Get wisdom. Get understanding. Get wealth. Contact MarketWise Traders today.